Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the exact editor or view you need to zoom. This matters because Eclipse treats editor text and UI elements differently. Once done, make sure Preferences right arrow general right arrow keys is available to assign shortcuts if needed. You want to decide now: increase editor font size for code or scale the entire UI for menus and icons. If you need UI scaling, prepare to restart Eclipse after changes. If you only need text zoom, you can proceed without restarting. You now change the editor font via Preferences, right arrow general, right arrow appearance, right arrow colors and fonts. Edit text font or Java editor text to increase point size, then click Apply. Meanwhile, if you need UI scaling for menus and dialogues, edit Eclipse. Enable and add the SWT device zoom flag or use your OS display scale. Make sure to save and plan a restart. Once the changes are in place, map keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+ and Ctrl- in keys so you can quickly toggle zoom without reopening Preferences. Finish by restarting Eclipse whenever you edited Eclipse. The UI scale only takes effect after a full restart. You should verify that editor fonts and UI elements look proportionate. If not, return to Preferences to fine-tune font sizes or remove the SWT zoom flag. If you encounter inconsistent zooming across views, clear the workspace cache or test a fresh workspace because corrupted metadata or third-party plugins often cause conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable non-essential plugins to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.